Hello there, my friend. Today I want to ask you if you have any coding question or any coding problem that you would like me to solve. What I will do is I will take your question or your files or your problems and I will try to code a solution. I will do a video where I'm solving your question and your question will be answered on the channel. So what I would like to ask you is if you could send me your question or problem, send me any attachment of files or links to the files so that I can download them. Of course, remember to anonymize your files so that I can't extract any sensitive data from them. And I would like to ask you if you could mention your name or if you want to stay anonymous. You can mail it to codingquestions@connysoderholm.com. And also, I would like to ask you for a detailed description of your question or problem so that I can understand what you need and give you a solution. Thanks.